Book of Heaven, Volume 11, May 25, 1915. Men are obedient to governments which use violence, but not to God who uses love. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus made himself seen for just a little and told me,
"My daughter, the scourge is great, yet the peoples do not stir themselves. Rather, they remain almost indifferent, as if they had to be present at a tragic scene, not a reality. Instead of coming, all unanimous, to cry at my feet and implore mercy and forgiveness, they stand at attention to hear what is happening. Ah, my daughter, how great is human perfidy! Look at how obedient they are to governments. Priests, lay people, do not demand anything, do not refuse sacrifices, and must be ready to give their own lives. Ah, for me only there was no obedience and no sacrifices, and if they did anything at all, it was more pretensions and interests. This, because the government uses violence, but I make use of love, yet this love is disregarded by creatures. They remain indifferent, as if I did not deserve anything from them."
As he was saying this, he burst into tears. What a cruel torment to see Jesus crying. Then he continued,
"But blood and fire will purify everything and will restore the repentant man. And the more he delays, the more blood will be shed, and the carnage will be such as man has never imagined."
While saying this, he showed the human carnage. What torment to live in these times! But may the divine volition be always done.